landslide here. Oh my god. You know, this is maize season and maize is almost ready in the field, and I think now the natives are selling the combs along the roadsides, and I have seen just like 2 to 3 people I have seen they are selling maize. Earlier when Swastika was small, I usually don't like to travel a lot because you know it's very hectic to travel with the children. Now she is like enough grown, so we prefer to go outside with her. Otherwise we even don't travel a lot when she was small. Now we have started our navigation. Earlier whenever we went to somewhere, we had to ask for directions to native peoples, but nowadays thanks to Google Map, it helps us a lot, you know, to reach our destinations. I'm going to drive a car. Let's enjoy the ride. My turn to drive a car because you know it's very long from district Chamba to Chandigarh, and we actually do this like in halfway I drive, another half my husband drive, because by shifting our shifts we don't feel fatigue. Yes, I'm going to start my driving. Meanwhile, Swastika and his papa is sitting beside me and they enjoy their rest, and I will enjoy my ride. While you know I drive the car, I just love to drive the car because I enjoy a lot while I'm driving, and it's like now it is now very normal these days that the woman can drive the car, but you know, for me it gives me like sense of pleasure that yes, I can drive the car and I don't have to take like seek anybody's help while I want to go outside. It happens me to many times because you know my husband is not available 24/7 to me to go with me and to buy some groceries. So I have also taken my in-laws to hospital, or we went to the market by our car, and I was the driver at that time, and I enjoyed it a lot because it gave me a sense of freedom that yes, I can do my work on by myself. That's all. This is another branch of DPS, that is Dholaji Public School, and its main branch is in Dholaji, and it is one of the famous schools of India, that is Dholaji Public School. And right now we are reached at Badhani Ghat, and here's the school's main gate. We have actually visited here once because we are to know. My husband is very eager to know and explore the things, so he asked me, let's go and ask some questions to them regarding the Swastika's admission. But you know, we don't want to put our baby in hostel, so we just we dropped the plan to take her admission in the school because it is not it is very far from our location, so we can't go and we can't take admission for her for day scholar as a day scholar. That's all. We have reached the Pathankot right now. See, this is Pathankot, and we are moving towards Chandigarh. Guys, you know one thing what I have noticed in Pathankot or Punjab or Amritsar last year we had gone there. But I have noticed that the people on two-wheeler, they don't wear helmets. In our area, yes, look, the person on the bike, he do not wear helmet. I don't know why, the people here don't wear helmet. In our everyone wears helmet. And here's the girl. I know I'm very fast. So it's like a matter of safety, and people here, they just, I think they don't matter for their safety. People here do not wear helmet while they driving the two-wheeler. As you can see, this bhaiya here, and I just found one who is wearing the helmet, but majority of people I have seen, they did not have their helmets. See, another bhaiya is coming from there. Luckily it is not raining outside today, and because when it is raining, so it becomes very difficult to drive, or it's become very hectic to go outside. If we have not met yet before, so let me tell you that my name is Jyoteshna and I'm from Himachal Pradesh, and I have just started learning this language. So to improve my English, what I am following that, I try to build up my confidence, and I'm posting my videos daily or weekly on YouTube. Swastika, are you feeling sleepy? No, you are not feeling sleepy. Are you feeling dizzy? No, you are not. So you are a very brave girl that you are not feeling sleepy and dizzy. So why are you crying? What happened to you? Swastika, are you enjoying? Yeah. So why was you crying? Speak properly. Why you were crying? Okay. So here is a toll plaza.
बस ट्रक कार वाला उधर है
ये this lane 3. अच्छा, bus 3 LCV cars है. I have just started learning this language passionately, so that's why I started recording my video, because by recording these video I can check my progress. And sometimes what I feel that while I'm talking to others, I don't have right words at right time. So what I do for that, like while let's say I'm traveling right now, so I try to speak like randomly. I try to speak, although I may be grammatically wrong, but I try. I try to give my best so that I can get out of this fear that that I can't speak. So this is how I'm learning this language. Swastika is feeling pain in her ear. Yeah. So let's figure out what is going inside her ear. We were stopped. Why? I don't know. They just asked us to park our car. So I don't know what is the matter, but I will tell you after asking to my husband. We had crossed the speed limit. We are driving at 90 kilometers per hour, so they have stopped us. Here we saw a Shivji, so tall. Bhole Baba ki jai. So after having a beautiful lunch, we have started journey again to Chandigarh. Let me first put my seat belt because otherwise I got a challan. Right now it is 5 p.m. here and we are just moving towards our destination. And you know, it is such a long distance from district Chamba to Chandigarh that it took around 8 hours. 8 hours to reach Chandigarh. And as you know, it is 5 p.m. now, and the sunlight is not that much sharp. You know, it means to say that is not hitting my eyes. So I just put off my sunglasses